What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, guys, we're going to show you some strategies on the Defi, or some DeFi strategies on Fantom. What the snap? Boom, pap! We're going to go ahead and get into this junk. Let's go ahead and talk about it. All right, so guys, these are a couple of strategies you guys can use. Please do not copy them because you guys need to think for yourself, and then you'll hurt my yields. I'm just kidding, guys. Go ahead, take them, do what you want. These are just a couple of strategies I came up with. But let's go and use our Lego blocks and build a castle. First off, we're going to use Scream Finance. This is a strategy you guys can use, and we're going to implement Tater Tot. So what we're going to do is, well, on Scream Finance, you can lend any asset that you want just so you can earn this specified yield. Whatever, have fun, go for it. But then we're going to go on the other side and borrow. So say, for example, you bring Ethereum into the ecosystem, or USDC or DAI or whatever. You can lend it here and you can earn some APY in, well, whatever the token is, and some Scream tokens. And now we're going to borrow against it so we can earn some more Scream. So with that token you borrow, we're going to take that over onto Tater Tot. You have a couple of options. You can either get super complex and LP with it, or you can be like, nah, bruh. I'm not really complicated. I just want to do single-side staking, so you can do that. So take a look at the Ethereum pool. 15% APY, it's actually not correct. It's either higher or lower than this. I don't know. But right now there's a subgraph sync issue. So we really wouldn't take Ethereum, for example. So how about we do Fantom? Fantom might be a better one. Let's see. So Fantom, we pay 20% interest. We go on Tater Tot, look for some of the pools. If you look, 156% interest. Well, you don't have to be a geometrist to be able to say like, oh yeah, I'm good at ophthalmology, so I know for sure that 20% minus 150 plus 200 minus 4,000 divided by 600 equals positive. No, all you got to do is do 20% minus 156, because 20% minus 156, and realize, man, I can make 130% on money that's not even mine. But wait, there's more. You're also earning Scream token, so good for you. Nice. You just gamed the system. Good job, Johnny. All right, so that's, I guess you can say, strategy 1. Strategy 2 is like, bruh, I got some big boy panties. I want to get a little more risky, so let's do this. I'm going to pair with Fantom and whatever token. You can do that. You can get 453%, 694, 1K, because now you're doing leverage on leverage. So Tater Tot allows you to leverage your LPs. Now let me break this down for you. So with Scream, this allows you to leverage on a single-sided pool. With Tater Tot now, it's allowing you to borrow tokens against your LP. So say, for example, you pair Fantom with DAI, and that's equal to $1,000. It's allowing you to borrow, well, whatever your amount you're able to borrow, not get under collateralized, and then buy more LPs, deposit in the LP, then borrow again to borrow some more and make more LPs and lever and lever and lever. And you don't have to go through the complexity of making transactions. It's actually as simple as a click of a button. You literally go into the pool, do click, click, leverage, boom, done. And you choose the amount of leverage that you want to do. Super easy, nothing complex about it. So if you take, for example, the Fantom BNB pool, and if you want to hit leverage, you literally hit the leverage button, and you literally say, hey, I want to do 6x leverage, 5x, whatever you want to do. But keep in mind, you can be liquidated, and you make a simple transaction, and it goes through. It's going to be a bunch of different numbers, but the TLDR on this is the borrow fee is basically the fee you're going to pay to borrow the tokens for both the BNB and Fantom, and then you'll get at least this many LP tokens. And then obviously you have the trading fees, APRs, because you're also getting that percentage, plus the percentage from Boo Reward, and you're getting the farming for Tater Tot, and you minus the 223. So this number actually doesn't include your trading fee APR, so that's something to keep in mind. But that's another strategy you guys can use. Next is just using Spooky Swap. You can literally earn some Boo tokens. You can provide liquidity into any of these pools, and you can earn whatever this APR is, and you're going to be earning some of the trading fees. So pretty fire sauce in my opinion, especially when there is a lot of transactions going on in the Fantom pools, and you can toggle with this APR to figure out which ones are the best. But keep in mind, guys, just because they show this one day doesn't mean it is the same the next day. You see the earn fees APR? This changes every 24 hours. So that's what it was recently. But anyways, you'll be earning these boo tokens, and the strategy you guys can use is you can come over, stake your boo, and then when you're staking your boo, you can come over here and you can earn some wrap Fantom against it. That's up to you if you want to do that. I'm earning the wrap Fantom because I like Fantom. Fantom's fun. I'm already foo farming, so that's okay. It's coming in the video. Don't worry. But you guys can do that. And another strategy you guys can use is Spirit Swap. I'm not going to go through every single strategy because I want you guys to think for yourself so you guys can get some ideas. But you guys can come over to Spirit Swap and you can stake your spirit after you earn it in any of these farms. You can actually lock it up for longer and you can get a boost. So InSpirit will boost your farms. If you guys want to learn the details on InSpirit, make sure you guys look into the white paper. You guys can also watch my video to understand it a bit. But basically, InSpirit, I mean, dude, 108%, and you get an extra percentage on your farms. Game changer, in my opinion. Lots of fun. So check out InSpirit. And you can even use some auto compounders like Reaper Farm. Reaper Farm just makes it super easy for you. Like you can just earn 84% interest on single-sided boo. Or you can be like Scream, or you can be like Shade, whatever you want. You can play with any of these. I mean, they have tons of pools. You can literally show more, scroll down. I mean, I really like Reaper Farm. It's a lot of fun. So this is a strategy you guys can use as well. You can also go on Curve. We're not going to talk about Curve on this channel. Well, on this video at least, because Curve is super easy. You literally just deposit in there and that's it. I'll just go ahead and show it to you guys just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. If you guys go on Curve, you can simply just deposit stable coins and you can get a pretty hefty yield. I mean, look, almost 25% interest just on some stable coins. So you guys can play around with Curve. Really don't need to do a deep dive into that or talk really much about the strategy on that. But that's just a cool strategy you guys can implement. And the last one is Fantoms. You can play the NFT play if you guys want to do that, or you can farm with the food token. Right now it's 283% APR. So it's not APY, it's APR. So you can automatically, whenever you get the rewards, withdraw them or claim them and then re-LP your tokens and then auto compound that. So those are a couple strategies you guys can use on Fantom. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys do 3 things. Like, subscribe, bell button. If you guys like any other farms that weren't mentioned in this video, go ahead and leave them in the comments in the description below. I'd love to check them out. And obviously there are more farms than this and I'm using more farms. These are just some of my favorite farms I like to use. So let's go ahead and leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 17 verses 21. To have a fool for a child brings grief. There is no joy for the parent of a godless fool. Gotta say thanks to the patrons: Sean Bott, Dawman, Tariq Liu, TL King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Dago Nacho, Matthias, Matt There Is, DMC Codes, isn't that a band? Pork Rind, Aw Snap, Roslav Alexandrovich, don't mess with the Russian boys. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk, so here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bomb. All right, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. Alright, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is Crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it. So I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, If you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.